How to use Netflix with ExpressVPN. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to use Netflix with a VPN to access unlimited content, then ExpressVPN is the number one choice. To use this, you want to open up a new tab and search for ExpressVPN. Out of all these search results, click on the very first one. Once you're on the website, you can find different features that ExpressVPN offers. So it has VPN for 30 days free trial, which is going to be risk-free. Then it is also going to show you how you can use ExpressVPN. And here it has listed all its features, which is it has servers in 105 countries, which has best-in-class encryption, 24 hours live support, lightning fast speed, and it also works on every platform. It is also considered to be ultra fast servers around the globe. So to use this, you want to click on Get ExpressVPN option, and once you do, it's going to show you different plans that you have. So you can select a plan that works best for you. I'm going to select the 1 month plan, then enter your email address, and then you need to select your preferred method of payment. So select whichever is suitable to you, and then you can proceed for the payment method. Once you have done all of this, now for the step 2, you want to download the VPN app. So here click on download Windows VPN if it is for your Windows. Once the download has been completed, you want to install the application on your device. Once it has been installed, step 3 is to connect to a VPN server location. For that, you want to hit on the on button. You'll be instantly connected to the best location for your connection, or you can also choose the location manually, and once it has been set up, you can access Netflix. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.